Hi, this is Tracy with DIY or Bust. In this video, I'll show you how I took a Victorian fireplace surround / overmantel and used it to dress up the tile wall behind my wood stove. Enjoy the video. The hearth project is about halfway complete. I have the wall tile done. There is a double flue behind this, which is just 2 layers of drywall over the existing wall, and that creates 2 sections that are separated by about 1 inch with a metal spacer to create a flue. And what that does is it allows the cool air to come in, or air to come in here and go up the back of this on both layers and out the top, and it keeps this wall much cooler, and that allows to bring the wood stove closer to the wall. However, with this particular unit, which is right over here, that's just sitting right there, that's my stove, because the mantle sticks out a foot, I still have to have space off of that mantle from the wood pipe that's going to come out the top, so I won't be able to tuck that stove as close to the wall as I want to. And that's okay. In the winter time, I'll have it farther out for safety, and in summer, I can bring it in. The mantle is in here. Kind of hard to see. This is the back side of it. Let me show you the front. That's a mirror in that section. And this is the open, what I call the firebox. So in there, you'll be able to see the wood tile. On the floor, I've laid down some 3/8 inch plywood on top of my doubled up and insulated floors, doubled up with the subfloor. This is going to allow for my hardwood floor and my tile floor. These are the tiles I'm going to use to be the same height. I won't be tripping on this thing, which will be wonderful. Here is the final result. I just need to get my stovepipe to go up, over, and out.